All right, welcome back to another Farming Smarter Plot Shot. And today we are in the shop and just wanted to talk to you guys about our long-term relationship that we have with the college that we are super proud of and always excited about. Every year we love to partner with the college for all sorts of things. One of those things that's really important to us is really helping the students further their education and their careers. So we love to give opportunities to the students to come out and help us with all sorts of things and really be able to teach them about what we're doing as well. So for example, usually we have the students come out and help us with our hemp biomassing because that's a big job. So they came out in 2022 and helped with that, which was awesome. And recently we had the students come and help us with our seed grading and quality control checks. We had about 16 students come out. We showed them all the process of running the samples through the NIR machine and the whole grading process. And they helped us get through quite a few samples too, which was really nice because there was a lot of samples to go through. It was a really good experience for the students. I think they learned a lot about that process and really got their hands dirty. And we just want to extend a thank you to them. We look forward to 2023 and working with the college closely and having students back with us to learn and really further their education and careers.